Daniela Milicia, and I want to continue working on the pattern that we started yesterday. However, let's have a little candy break. I randomly thought about it, and so I went up in my cabinet above my fridge, and I found my favorite candy. So yesterday I was thinking, I took my, across back measurement, and it was 37 centimeters, and I thought, well, I feel like God gave me the revelation. So I took the measurement from this point to the opposite side, you know, like right here, and I'm thinking I should have done it from this point to this point across my back. So basically going inside my armhole. So let's just do that real quick. Okay, that feels like it's the mid point. Okay, this feels equal. Oh, that is 37. What the hell? Am I tripping? Yeah. Okay, well now it's at 38. Hold on. Okay. This is okay. I think that I have my across chest. Hold on. Let's grab the book too, because I think that my across chest is actually wrong and my across back is right. So across chest, the narrowest distance from armhole to armhole above bust line. Okay, so yeah. Hold on. So right here to right here. $36. Hi everybody, how are y'all today? So that measurement is 36, and yesterday I measured 29.5, which I have no idea what I did there. So I'm going to make a correction and write down 36 centimeters. And what else am I doing? I'm just checking my what I wrote down over here. Thank you so much, Puffy. Hi y'all, I really appreciate y'all here. You mean the fashion show? I'm thinking. So we left off yesterday at point 12. So basically 4 to 12 means half measurement of 4 to 5. And 4 to 5 is square from center back to center front, the bust line. Which, hold on 1 second, I need to rethink this. I am Surinamese, but I grew up in Amsterdam. What show are you referring to, Rahul? A super chat option, I have no idea how that works. Literally no idea. I'm sorry. I'm kind of new to you, so. But like I need these measurements closer to me. Let me grab some scissors real quick. I have no idea who Tammy is. Hold on one second. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I got my measurements. Oh, I don't like a private fashion show, like my private collections. I have shown them before, yeah. That's what you mean. Okay, so what I'm going to do is walk over all my measurements and like double check that I got everything right. So I'm going to kind of fold this because it's rolling. My Instagram is the same as my YouTube, which is Nabila Militia. And thank you for subscribing, you guys. I really appreciate that so much. Thank you, thank you. Help me get to 500, guys. And I am going to do a giveaway when I have 1,000. But, so yesterday I measured my bust, which was 81 centimeters. So let's do that again. Hold on. It's curving. Okay. Now it says 85. I was wearing a super tight top yesterday though. So, actually, maybe I should do a new paper. And just rewrite everything. You know what? Let's get my book. I actually had some measurements already in here. I am 29. Okay. Let's see if I have my measurements in here. If not, ooh. Okay. I do have my measurements here. My across shoulders, these are in inches, is 6 inches and 7/8. Okay, that's like about 17 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17.6. Across chest. Oh, these are like half. Okay, these are not like the full length. It's basically like half, which I'm not gonna worry about. I'm just gonna take my new measurements because I don't want to end up being confused, you know. Okay, I'm writing down my name, measurements, I'm gonna put you guys closer. I do look 19. Thank you though. Okay, so we're going to take my bust first. Then under bust. Waist. Mid hip. Hip. Neck. Nape. To waist back. Across back. Cross chest. Point to point. Okay. So again, I'm taking my bust. I'm like, loose is 85. A little bit tighter would be 84. So I'm gonna just go for 84. And this is centimeters, you guys. Now I'm going to do my under bust. Hey, hey, how are you, Chandler? Okay, it's like slipping and sliding, I can feel it. But right here, I would say 69 and a half. Let me do that one more time because yesterday I had 68. Now I have 1.5 centimeters more. I mean, maybe. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll say 69. Okay, now my waist. Hold on, you guys. I'm gonna stitch my shirt because I'm like, I don't want the fabric to make a difference because yesterday I had on a super tight shirt, but it was made also too tight, which is, you know, snatching you in some more. So give me like 2 seconds real quick. Okay, I am back. And I'm wearing this top right here. So, let's see. Let's start back with my bust. Ah, it's cold. I have a cutout in the back. Oh, that was so cold. Okay. Yeah, okay, I would say 84. Keep that. Now the under bust. Noodles there. Um, it's like 68, 69, like 68, 68 and a half. So I'm gonna keep it at should I keep it at 68 or do 69? It is very hard to measure myself. Yesterday I had 68, today I have 69. I'm gonna just keep it at 68. Whatever. Now my waist. $64 and a half. Yesterday I had 66, so it is crazy. This is 64 and a half. Yeah, that's more comfortable. Thank you. And no, I am not looking for a sugar daddy. I appreciate it though. Mid hip, which would be like right here. Well, it's technically 10 centimeters down. So like, hold on, I'm gonna not show you guys that measurement. That is 74. And then I'm also gonna just get my hip. Which is 85, I wanna say. 86. So 74 and hips 86 centimeters. That's accurate. Yesterday I did have mid hip 74. I had my hips on 86 and a half. Now I have 86. Let's do my neck. Let's say 31 and a half. What did I have yesterday? 32. I'm gonna keep it at 32. Nape to waist back. There we go. Let's see what my nape to waist will be. trying to figure out where I read it. It didn't say it. Nape to waist, waist to hip. Generally around 41 centimeters. Okay. So mine is 35 from yesterday's measurements. So again, like right here, to my waist, which is right here, I want to say. $35. Okay. So I did have that accurately. Now across back. I'm just gonna go from this armhole seam right here. Um, 34. Let me just add half centimeter just in case. And then across my chest. $39 and a half. Let me just double check that. Yeah. Let me not put the half. Let me just do 39. Okay, and I wanted to do the cross back one more time. Yeah, it's the same measurement. Now point to point, 18, and I had the same thing yesterday. Okay. Now I'm gonna put my other shirt back on because I'm cold. Let's see what the dart size would be. So now my bust is different. Yesterday I did what is it? I did a 6.3 centimeter dart for 80 centimeter bust. And right now I have my bust at 84 centimeters. So for 82 it says 6.4, and then it jumps to 86, 6.8. So I am 4 sizes in between. So 0.4 centimeters divided by 2 is 0.0. So I'm gonna do 6.6. That's just me, just, you know, coming up with something. So I'm gonna say dart size. .6 centimeters. And then let's just start back from A to B. I think that I might use the same, you know, part that we just used. Yeah, definitely brow would make a difference. Okay, A to B is the half of the bust measure plus 2.5. So 42 plus 2.5 is 44.5. I'm also gonna have my iPad as my calculator for, you know, all the things. What did I say? 84 is 42, 44.5. Okay. Actually, let's keep that right here. So A to B is 44.5. Now A to C is the nape to waist plus 2.5. So nape to waist plus 2.5, which was 35 centimeters plus 2.5 is 37.5. And then we add the waist to hip measurement to that. Wait. Waist to hip, waist to hip, waist to hip. I didn't measure waist to hip. Did I request that? Like, did I deliberately skip over it? Waist to hip, measure down from the waist to the hip at the side between 20 and 22 centimeters. Okay, I did not do that. So let's add it. Alright, I'm gonna do my waist to hip. Hold on, let me just. I have 20 centimeters. Cool. Alright, so we are on this page right here. In this formula, hold on guys, let me just get comfortable. So point A to point C is nape to waist, which was 35 plus 2.5, 37 and a half, and that plus 20 is 57.5. So let's make sure. Okay, yeah. So that would be 57.5. And then B to D is equal to A to C, which would also be the center front line. And then of course C to D is equal to A to B, which is the hip line. And then A to C is the center back line. That's just valuable information for later on in the process. So now that I got my new measurements, I'm going to expand my box because yesterday we had it at 43.3 centimeters instead. So I'm gonna push you guys back some and tilt it down. Oops, sorry for the shaking. I hope you guys can see here. I will be drawing right here. Let me see. Okay. This will now be 44.5. So small extension, short extension, and that is now B right there. And then we're also going to extend the CD line. Okay, like so. And then we're going to connect B to D. Oops. Okay. Now that we got that, we got our rectangle A, B, C, and D. Step 1 remains the same. That was from A to 1. That was 2.5 centimeters. I'm not going to change that because it's still the same. And then from 1 to 2 will be nape to waist back measure, and the nape to waist is still 35 centimeters. So this should still be 35, but let's just so actually that should still be the same too. We can always double check though, it wouldn't hurt. Yep. 2 to 3. 2 to 3, that is basically the waistline. That point is square across center back to center front, so we don't have to change that. Number 1 to 4, this line to this line should be half the measurement of 1 to 2 plus 1.3, so that should actually also be the same, but let's just walk it to be sure. So half the measurement from 1 to 2, which was the nape back. Nape back is 35. Oops, I'm trying to do that. 35. Hold on. Wait, we are doing, what step are we at? Oh my goodness, I just lost mine. Okay, 1 to 4. So 1 to 2 is the nape back. So 35 plus 1.3. Right? Yeah. Which is 36.3. Which would be 1 to 4. Hold on. That's not accurate. The half. So I was supposed to do 35 divided by 2 plus 1.3 is 18.8. That's correct. And that would be 1 to 4. And it should be the same thing. 18.8. Yeah. Okay. Now 4 to 5, which is here to number 5. Where is number 5? Okay, this would be right here. That should be the same because we have to just square all the way down here. I just gotta pull it down some more because we have to lengthen this part. Let me skirt with this. Okay, that is number 5. Okay. I'm not sure if y'all said anything. Hi there. No, I am not in college anymore. I already graduated 4 years ago. I'm just doing this one for fun. I am making myself a pattern, front and back, because I don't think I did that in college. I think I just copied my professors, but I mean, I have these notes in there, so I'm thinking maybe I attempted one time and never did it. So that's why I am doing it now, just to practice, because you know, if I understand how to do it for myself, I can do it for anybody else, right? And instead of starting with somebody else's measurements, I thought, let me just do one for me, because I always make myself something and I have to always use a pattern that's too big and just make it smaller as I go, by grading. But now I'm actually making one from scratch, which is fun to me, because in college I always thought that pattern making would be the boring part, but I actually ended up liking pattern making so much. And I think it's because the mathematical aspect of it, which requires a lot of like thinking and problem solving, and I kind of like that. And somebody says, I like your accent. Thank you so much. Hi, I miss you, baby. God bless. Oh, thank you. God bless you too. And my accent is from Suriname originally, which is in South America. So that's about me. We just did 4 to 5. Now 1 to 6 is half the measurement of 1 to 4. Oh gosh, we did the same thing yesterday. It was like a puzzle right here. So 1 to 6 is half the measurement of 1 to 4, and 1 to 4 is half the measurement of 1 to 2 plus 1.3. I think that was 18.8. Right? One to two, hold on. 1 to 2 is the nave back, which is 35 centimeters. So 1 to 4 is the half of 35 plus, hold on, let me make sure I'm talking about the same thing. So again, half of the measurement 1 to 4. Now 1 to 4 is half of the measurement of 1 to 2. And 1 to 2 is the nave back, which is 35 divided by 2 is 17.5 plus 1.3 is 18.8, and I'm thinking that it needs to be the half of that. Divided by 2 is 9.4. I remember that that's what I had yesterday actually. I don't know why I had to recalculate that. 9.4, and that will be 1 to 6. So actually it should be already good. Mm. 9.4. Yeah, perfect. Then 1 to 8 is half of the measurement of 1 to 6, which is what we just calculated. So 9.4 divided by 2 is 4.7, minus 2 centimeters is 2.7. And I do remember that we did the same thing yesterday, so I'm gonna keep that as is. Number 8. Now number 9, which would be from 8 to 9, square across half of across back. Measure plus 1 centimeters, 1.5 across shoulder line. Okay, so oops, I'm marking this book by accident. Yikes. Across back is 30. You know what? Let's see. I don't think that this is correct. I think I'm keep thinking about the nape. 6 to 7 is square across half back measure. Square. I think I made the exact same mistake yesterday. So square across half across back, and across back is 34.5. 34.5 divided by 2 is 17.25. So 67 is square across half. Okay. Alright. I had to keep reading that because this point is not correct. This point needs to be 17.3. Okay, this is where number 7 is supposed to be. Oh, right there. And then alright, that's the only thing. And then 8 and 9 is square across half of across back. So 34.5 divided by 2 is 17.25. Wait, okay. Plus 1.5. So 18.75. 8 to 9. I see. Okay. This should be 18.75. Let's just do 18.8 on here. And that is number 9. Okay. Number 9. Seven to 10. Square up to shoulder line. So let's just use my grid. Oops, I don't know why I drew it. Oh well, we do have to. So this is also gonna be 11, and then this is 10. Because 11 is squared down. 7 to 11 squared down from the bust line. So this right here is the bust line. Actually 2, and I said from 2. Okay, now 4 to 12, half the measurement of 4 to 5. 4 to 5 was square across center back to center front. So minus 1.3. So the bust line is basically 44.5. 4 to 5. Bust line is 44.5 divided by 2 is 22.25 minus 1.3 is 20.95. 20.95. This is where we basically stopped last night because I was like, something ain't right. Okay, 20.95. So I'm just gonna make it 21 centimeters. I'm gonna round up over here with 0.5. 0 bob. I think it is. So that is 12 now. Okay. And I'm just crossing out the lines that I did wrong. That makes a lot more sense. Yes, it really does. Because yesterday I was like, something just doesn't look right with this picture, you know? I could just tell. Now 12 to 13, square down to the hip line. So we're going all the way from here to the CD line. Okay. That is 13. Now 1 to 14 is 1/5 neck measure. 1/5 of the neck measure. The neck measure is 32. Hey Siri, what is 1/5 of 32 centimeters?
Okay, I found this on the web for what is 1/5 of 32 centimeters. Check it out.
What would Siri say? You know what? I'm gonna just I'm gonna not be silly. I'm gonna do 532 by 5 and see. Let's have it actually. I should have known that. Something seems weird to me about that though. Mm. 7 centimeters from 1 to 14. Could that be accurate? 7 centimeters? I guess I'm gonna just draw it and we'll find out later. Oh wait, the line didn't draw all the way. Oh no, it did. This is 14. So I have a question for you. What is it about me washing my hair? Why you always keep asking me for that? Are you asking can I wash it in general? Like can my hair get wet? Yes, the answer is yes. Now are you asking me to do it? No, I'm not gonna do it. I actually have done a video on it. If you want to see it, you can always go to my camera. I mean, not my camera, my channel, and you can watch that video all over again. Or if I decide to do another hair care video, then I will. But right now, I'm focusing on this. 14 to 15 is square up 1.3 centimeters. You guys, you cannot understand how happy I am that I found this ruler. It's a cork back ruler that I had when I was in college years ago. 1.3, and I haven't used it in so many years. I didn't even know I had it. I'm gonna square up with this though, just because it's clear and I can see better if my line is actually going to form 90 degrees. And that is number 15. Once at 15, connect a deep concave curve. Ooh. Oh. I don't even know what is a concave curve. How do I do that? Let me Google it. Concave curve. I mean, it's a mathematical term, I guess. I just never heard of it before because, you know, I didn't attend high school in America. So, the question is, how do I do that? I guess with this side of my ruler, I could. I don't know. I'm scared to draw it because I don't even know. Can y'all see this? I'm